Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add stickers on Instagram stories. If you're using Instagram and you want to add your own stickers to Instagram stories, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Instagram app and here just have on this plus story option to create a new story here. So here you just have to select this camera option here and then you can also try to take a photo or you can also tap on this create option to create your own story from a solid color here. So once you have done, you just have to tap on this sticker option here. And from here, you just have to select which sticker you want to add. If you want to add a photo as your own stickers, you can do that. Or you can also select any avatar from here. Or you can use this sticker option to add different stickers here. So you just have to tap on this. Or you can also select any sticker from here. So once I have done, just tap on that option. So after done, you can resize your sticker by using your two fingers here. So you can also move this on your screen. So once you have done, just tap on this your story option and it will be shared as your own story. So in this way, you can easily add stickers on Instagram story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.